Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser. In this video, I will show you how to delete or uninstall Chrome extension without any stress. Let me show you how. There are so many ways by which you can use to uninstall or delete unuseful extension on your Chrome browser. I'm going to give you a simple way. One of the easy way to delete or uninstall Chrome extension is to come up right here where you have your extension shared icon. Click on it, and this is going to pop up right here. Go ahead and locate any extension you want to remove. Like for instance, if you want to remove this one right here, so go ahead and click on these three dots, and this is going to pop up. Go ahead and click on remove from Chrome, and you have something pop up right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on remove, and the extension will be direct you to a page like this, just like so. Then you can scroll down and see detail right here. Now, if you go back to your extension catalog right here, you find out that the extension is no longer here. Again, it's that simple. Another way to uninstall or delete any extension in your Chrome browser is that you can easily go ahead and click on manage extension. Then you are here in your extension catalog. You can easily click on remove right here, and the particular extension will be completely removed. Let's say, for instance, I want to remove this particular extension. What I need to do is to go ahead and click on remove right here, and then go ahead and click on remove. And from the catalog of my extension right here, the extension is completely in my Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Chrome browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.